Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back again today with another 8 trades. Today's date is May the 10th and I am using my brand new Super Scalper trading system. So today I was running late. As you can see the time, it was around 10 o'clock this morning when I was doing the bulk of my trades and I closed them all out just before 10:30, so no more than an hour's worth of trading. I did one Forex pair and all the rest were futures. Now about 6 o'clock in the morning, actually, as I said, I was running a little bit late. It was around 7 o'clock this morning when I started I had to do my daily trade plan. Trading started a little bit later as I had to wait for the charts to line up before taking the trade. Anyhow, I ended up making my daily trade plan. We can take a look at that for today. Here it is here. Daily trade plan for May the 10th, 22. Now, if you don't have some kind of a daily trade plan as such, that is probably at least 50% of the reason why you are failing. Now, if you're only trading one thing, then you don't have to analyze a lot. But I'm looking at many different things and I'm looking for the best ones and the ones that are going to pay out the most. So that's why I have this trade plan so that I know which ones I should be trading. Of course, if you don't know how to put one of these together, well, you can get your hands on this one. Keep in mind, I do charge $100 a month. Now, if you don't want to keep paying $100 every month, well, I can teach you how to make one exactly like this. And it's about 80% win rate. So nothing is 100%, not even my daily trade plan. But 80%, the odds are in your favor. You're going to have a bunch of winners. And if you want to learn how to make one of these, well, just get in contact with me. Now we can get looking at the trades, looking at this gold. I wish I stayed in a little bit longer. Keep in mind that futures usually is after the opening bell, which is 9:30, right here. That's when it starts to move the most, just in case you didn't know that. But my goal is 200 pips and ticks a day, and this for sure is well over 200. So I have another happy day of trading. Gold, let's see where I got in at. Like I said, wait for the market to start to move. And as I said, if I would have just hung in for another half an hour, I would have made a lot more. But this is only about 1 pip because it pays $10 a pip. But let's just see what I could have made out of curiosity. This is well over 100, 126. But as I said, I just look at the big picture and close out the trade when I'm happy. I don't really have any targets. My target is when I'm happy. So that paid $110 for roughly 1 pip. Okay, let's move on to the Forex pair, which was pound Swiss. Here we go. It's the only one I bought. All the rest were sells. There's the arrow. Now I had to wait for the charts to line up. And so it lined up right in here. This general, anywhere in this area would have been perfect. Took the trade and I closed it out. Looks like I did a good timing on this one with, looks like about 9 pips. And those 9 pips on the pound Swiss paid $906. Okay, let's move on to the next trade. A little bit more to the right here, silver. Here we go, found it. This one I sold it. There's the arrow, right from the daily trade plan. Let's see where I got in at. So I had to wait for the trade to line up. There's the Scalper saying to sell. Here's another one I could have made a lot more. One of these days I'm going to hang around for an extra half an hour and collect all these bonus pips. Anyhow, keep in mind that this is $50 a pip, so that's 34. And looks like I ended up with, keep in mind you will get a pop-up alert. I have it turned off on this computer as I'm not a big fan of alerts. Probably, hopefully by tomorrow, I can get it turned on. But you will get a pop-up box in here telling you right here to buy, here to sell, here to sell. And so that's exactly what I did. Should be 5 because there it is right there. 5 times 50 times 10 lots. And that's like 35, so you would need a calculator. 35 times 50 times 10 lots. But that move there is 5 ticks times the 50 times 10 lots paid out $2,500. Okay, let's move on to the Russell. This one pays $10 a pip. Another one I took after 10 as I was waiting for the chart to line up. There it is there. Got the alert to sell. See how simple and easy it is? As I said, could have made a lot more, but I was happy. Now this has to be 43. There it is there. Pretty close. Look at that. 360 something. Wow. 43 anyhow. So it's 43 times 10 lots. That's $4,300. See what I mean? How these pay out? Market does the same thing every day. But it's very important that you have a daily trade plan so you're going in the right direction. Okay, let's move on to the Dow Jones. This one is $5 a pip. So we have to take the money and divide it by 5, which I just did, and it shows 91. So let's see if we can find 91. Got the alert, and away you go. 91. Anyhow, it's 91, shows 90, but it's 91. Would be up around 340 and change. But anyhow, 91 times 5 times 10 lots paid out $4,550. Okay, let's run a check on the S&P 500. Now this one pays $5 again. Have to take the money. If you want to know how to figure it out, take the money, divide it by 5, which I'm going to do right now. So drag and drop this up. And let's see now. Look at this huge move. Let's see. Now the calculator says it's 115. And that's close enough. It's going to be hard to get it right on. 1146. So 115. If I was in the trade right now, it'd be up over 600. But anyhow, 115 ticks times 5 times 10 lots paid $5,750. Okay, now let's move on to the DAX 30. Now this one pays $3.75 for each tick, and definitely need a calculator for that. But you take the money, divide it by $3.75, and the calculator does say it's 210. So let's see, DAX 30. See if we can show that 210. To show, there it is right there. Look at that, a small move, a lot of money. So be careful. Just as easy as you can make a lot, you can lose a lot. That's why you need a daily trade plan. Daily trade plan says to sell. It is very, very clear. Look, down, day, week, month. It's a no-brainer. So you just wait for things to line up. So they lined up right here. I jumped down a little bit because my indicators down here was telling me right down here, right there, sell. So, no brainer, sell. Very simple. Now I said it was 210. Well, there it is right there. Look at that, bang right on. 210. And if I was still in a trade, that's about 100. That's by the way, you include all digits, so that would be 1,400, 1,400 and change. So times 375. Anyhow, you can get a calculator and figure out what that adds up to. But 200, and as a matter of fact, now that I'm thinking about it, for you traders out there who want to double your account, you would double your account 1334, approximately there. 1334, you would double a $500 account to 1,000 or a $5,000 account to 10,000 if you do maximum lots. Anyhow, if you want to know more about how you can double your account in one trade, and I've done it, so I know it's possible. So let's see. Just get in contact with me. But that was 210 times $3.75. That's why you see it paid out $7,875. So now we can move on to the last trade, NASDAQ. It does pay $20 a tick. Let's see where I got in first of all. Waited for the signal or the scalper, everything saying to sell down here. And let's see what I did get. I think I'm going to drop this down to the 5 minutes. See if I can get it more accurate. Just to let you know, the calculator did say it was 41. There it is right there. 41. You remove the last two. Try that one more time. It's 41. You remove the last two digits. And if I was in the trade right now, it'd be well over 300. So you can do the math at how much that would be. But anyhow, what did I say? 41 times 20 times 10 lots paid out $8,300. I tell you, once you know the direction the scalper's telling you, buy or sell, take a trade, and hang on for a fantastic ride using my super scalper. So another great day of trading here. I just added up all the pips and ticks. Ended up with well over 200, that's for sure. 457. Mostly they were all ticks, so 457 pips and ticks paid out $34,291. So if your system is not producing fantastic results like the Super Scalper, well, I suggest you get your hands on it. Now, if you want to get more information, all you have to do is look right below this video, and you'll see this write-up. It's my Super Scalper system. I do charge $250 for it. I teach the secrets to successfully trading the markets. My system has over 3 gigabytes. 3 gigabytes of training, and you'll get an exact copy of my platform. Now included are 5 MT4 templates, 10 custom indicators, and my favorite meter. Included are a lot of PDF books, a lot of Word documents, and 9 bonus videos. Now there's a lot of ways to trade, as you can clearly see. I do teach a lot of different ways. That's why there's 22 training videos about 30 minutes long each. So if you pick up this system, make sure you do the homework. And unfortunately, a lot of traders won't even watch all the videos. So anyhow, what can you do? Got to do the homework if you want to succeed at trading. So now I'm not going to go through everything here, short of time. Put the video on pause, read everything here. If you have any questions, simple, pick up the phone and call me. Here's my number. Let's see. If you live too far, just send me an email. Here's my email address. Remember, there's an underscore right here. I really do prefer Skype. Made it easy for you. All you got to do is click on this link. And after that, we'll have connection. Even if you think you don't have Skype downloaded, all Windows 10 computers have it already pre-installed. All you got to do is click on this link. We'll have a connection. and through Skype screen sharing. I'll give you a free session, answer your questions, give you some tips and tricks. And keep in mind, I do all of that with no obligation to you. Now, of course, if you click on this link right here, that is providing that you, this is actually not down in the writing, but I can give you this link. Or, by the way, if you give me your email address, I'll put you on my email list for free weekly tips and tricks. And I'll give you all these links. I'll give you this link too, whereas you will see 40 screenshots of all the trigger systems I've been building over the years. So anyhow, time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, hopefully I'll have less issues and distractions tomorrow. I'm hoping it'll be tomorrow. I want to wish you good luck with your trading and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.